Phew, everybody, I think we need a little bit of calming music to get through what we've just seen there. It's not all about the carnage and the mayhem and the chasing and the claws and the teeth. Sometimes it's about cuteness, and we've seen many, many cute and beautiful things during the course of this show, and so I thought I'd sing the youngsters of the Mara a little song. Here we go, everyone. Rock-a-bye, babies of the Mara. When the herds come, the grass will be short. Then you must watch for the tooth and the claw. Oh, poor little baby will be no more. That was very cute, wasn't it? Marvellous indeed. Good. Okay, let's...